Hello. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Campsite.bio link. So first things first, you just have to go to Campsite.bio and then create your account right here. You can create using your Google account, or you can just basically add your email address and password. But for me, the easiest way to create an account is by just connecting this to your Google account. Now you can use if it's personal or organizational account. And you have to select for free plan or pro plan. For the sake of this tutorial, let's just choose free plan. And then here you can tap on your interest. And then after that, here it is, just tap on the free version or free plan. You will see the features that you can unlock here. And you can now set up your profile, but you can also skip this part right here. So basically, you need to add profile photo here, add page title, bio, set your brand colors if you want. You can also add your links to your profile right here. So all you have to do is to just basically tap your profile and it will take you directly to the page where you can add links. Now you can tap this one if you want to create or build your profile. You just have to follow the instruction right here. Now, if you want to add links, just go to your profile again. And then this time you can now tap this add link and you can enter the title of your video. For example, watch my YouTube video. Here you can paste the full link or URL. You can toggle visibility, rearrange links, or add thumbnails and icons. So basically, you can add more links here if you want. Add again another title. You can paste the URL from your Twitter, from your WhatsApp, from your Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So that's how you add links right here. Also, apart from that, you can add social media icons. You can scroll to social icons section and paste in your handles for TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and etc. Now, after that, you can copy and share this one. So basically, you should see the copy icon above or share icon above and then share or paste it anywhere you wish. You can paste it to your Instagram or TikTok bio, YouTube section, email signature, Linktree alternative, and Twitter X profile. So this is how to set up campsite.bio link.